When working with large tables with many columns and rows, you may need to simplify your view to see specific information displayed on the screen at the same time, without having to scroll to get to the columns that have the information you need in that specific moment. For those cases, we can hide some rows or columns. Select the columns that you want to hide, then go to Format and click Hide on Hide, and select Hide Columns. Now you're able to see only the information you need since the columns are hidden. To get those columns back, click the column headings on both sides of the hidden column. Since my column is hidden between these two columns, I need to select these two columns. Then I could go to Format again and select Hide on Hide Columns, or I can just right click and select on Hide. And if you need to be switching between detailed views to see totals or summary views, there's another tool you should know about, which is grouping. To group rows or columns, highlight the rows or columns that you want to group, then go to Data tab and select Group. And now you see this line with dots telling you which cells are grouped. And if I click on this minus button, I can collapse the group to hide it. And now I only see the total below that. And now you have a plus button to expand it. You can set as many different groups as you want. This is really useful when you only need to see certain information. With these buttons up here, you can collapse or expand multiple groups at a time. To get rid of a group, just highlight the columns or rows in a group and click on Group. There is another extension of that feature. If you click on the down arrow underneath the group button, you see Autoline. This is going to put groups for me. Autoline puts in collapsible groups to cover those ranges instantly. So now you end up having a really good summary of everything without having to scroll anything. If you want to get rid of the outline, just go to Ungroup and select Clear Outline.